Now there's really nothing wrong with the stock exhaust off of this thing. It actually sounds really good, but we got to be constantly changing, evolving, make a little more noise, make a different noise. And let's face it, 40 bucks or so for an upgraded exhaust off of AliExpress, why not? We gotta at least try and see what other kind of sound we can get out of this thing. So the two tools I'm using right now is 5mm Allen and 13mm socket for the clamp here, but we're just gonna undo the exhaust clamp and undo the hanger. We'll pull this thing off, and maybe I'll go get the scale as well, and we can take a look at weight savings, see what kind of changes we're going to see weight wise as well. That's removable. It's that simple. So let's go ahead and get the scale, see what it looks like. Alright, so weight of everything we just took off. That's 8 pounds, 3.5 ounces. For your kilogram person, 3.74 kilograms. Now, weight of the replacement exhaust with the mid pipe and brackets and springs and everything that's going to go with that, you're looking at 3 pounds, 8.5 ounces, or 1.6 kilograms. So pretty significant weight savings as well. Now, of course, my battery went dead during installation video, but really straightforward. Exhaust clamp came with the kit. Mid pipe came with the kit. Exhaust pipe, exhaust hanger, offset bracket. So really put the bracket on here loosely, put the hanger on here loosely, put this on loosely, got the pipe inserted, made sure everything alignment was pretty good, tighten it up a little bit, tighten it up a little bit, get the springs attached. Now these are pretty tight, so you need a spring puller, or I actually used a pick with a hook and was able to get it that way. Bit of a challenge because you don't have the same pulling force that you do with an actual spring tool, but it can be done. And then as everything got lined up, I just tightened it. So 10mm on the exhaust clamp that came with this kit, 6 and 14 that came on the bracket here. This is the stock bracket, so that was your 5mm with a 13 on the back. And got it all tight, so now your clearance is good and everything is attached. Lighter, more sleek looking. Now we'll go ahead and test the sound. This has the removable baffle still installed. See in there, we've got that baffle. We're going to go ahead and pull that baffle out right in here. So looks like maybe a 4. Bolt comes out. Baffle comes out. Now let's hear what it sounds like. Baffle removed. So there you have it, stock exhaust pipe removed, significantly lighter. It was less than half the weight, lighter, more streamlined looking, a little better sound, removable baffle. So if I do want to quiet it, I can, and if I want to let her rip, I can. It was $41 shipped for mid-pipe, clamps, brackets, universal exhaust. I think it looks really good. Again, absolutely nothing wrong with this stock exhaust. It sounds amazing as well for a stock exhaust, but I like the decreased weight. I like the sleeker look. Honestly, I really like the way that this turns down so it's not pointing up anymore. So I'm gonna rock this one for a while. If I find something else on the market I like better, I'll let you know. But for now, me and AliExpress. Gonna be making some noise out on the open roads and in the woods. Thank you guys for joining me today. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. If you're using another exhaust that you think is awesome, let me know in the comments as well. Maybe I'll give it a try. Thanks for joining me. As always, ride safe, roam more.